Toys Academy. Today we have a gone fishing game.
In it are 2 fishing rods and 8 fishes. Today we're gonna play a game.
Okay, what kind of game?
A fishing game. Here's how we're gonna play. We're gonna dump all the fishes into the water. Then both of us will try to catch as many fishes as we can until there's no more. Whoever has the most wins.
Yay!
Okay. What are the colors of the fish?
There are 2 yellows, 2 greens, and 2 orange. And also 2 blues.
Awesome!
Yeah!
Okay. Wait. Okay, go catch them.
Wait, that's ours. Let go. Let go. Ow.
No.
That's mine.
Mine.
No, it's mine. Let go of me again. It's so hard.
My fish.
No, it's mine.
No, mine.
I want the yellow.
No,
It's
mine.
mine.
I like yellow.
Me too.
No. No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Oh, it's mine. One for me.
Gotta go in.
That's another one.
No,
Stop
it's not.
catching me. Let go. That's a big guppy. That's
Mine. Ooh, I got this one.
no.
Oh, I gotta get this.
No.
No, mine.
Mine.
No, mine.
Mine.
No, mine.
This is so hard. Oh, I got second one.
I got
No,
one.
that's mine. Oh no, it's just a bubbler.
No, I got another one that's green. Let me get a blue one.
I got another one.
I got another
Wait.
one.
There's one more. Where is it? Oh,
Okay, can you count?
yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. You got it, Ty.
Got a tie. Okay.
It's somewhere on the bottom. Now we're gonna get them.
Okay, go get them.
Okay. I got the running.
Place it over here.
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
I win the game.
I know. Fine. Fine. I do this.
Thanks for watching, everybody.